Good day, everyone. I'm super excited to bring you this hunting knife. It's by Warmot. This thing's 8.6 inches long. It comes with the sheath as well. It's a full-tang fixed blade knife, typically used for survival camping and hiking. It's got a G10 handle. What I really love is the feel of this thing. And it's got a nice knuckle guard there, This thing just, when you get a knife that is just super comfortable, it just kind of feels like home. This is one of those. It fits perfect in my hand. I could use this for all kinds of stuff. Very useful knife here. It's a nice thick metal blade, super sharp edge. It's got some serrations on the back there. You could kind of use it as a saw. That full-tang makes it extra sturdy as well. You can use this for whittling, cutting, skinning. Great all-around knife, good size. Here it is, just cut up a little meat with it. Really like this knife, really like the look of it, and the feel of it's tremendous. It's lightweight as well, but it just has a really nice feel to it. Well weighted. Here it is, just kind of knocking some bark off the wood. This thing has no problem going through that. Yeah, this is a knife you could put some faith in. Definitely an everyday carry. This is going in my hiking pack or right on my hip. Throw this in your survival bag, your bug out bag, your bug in bag. There it is with the sheath. Just nylon there with the belt loop. There it is. Fits right around the waist nicely, nice and comfortable. All right, you guys, super happy with this product. Love it. Thanks for watching.